हम लोग कुछ 15 या 16 साल के होंगे उस वक्त। हम सबके फादर आर्मी में हुआ करते थे और एक कहानी थी जो काफ़ी घुमा करती थी उस दिनों। ये कहानी है इंडिया चाइना की 1962 की लड़ाई की, जिसमें 13 कमांड बटालियन, जिसके 120 जवानों ने चीनियों के कुछ 1200 लोग मारे। इस बैटल का नाम था बैटल ऑफ रिजांगला और ये कहानी हम सबको काफ़ी छू गई थी। जब मैं बड़ा हुआ और फिल्म मेकर बना, मेरे बड़े भाई साहब जो अभी भी आर्मी में हैं, उन्होंने मेरे को एक कहानी सुनाई डिटेल में। मैंने ठान लिया था कि ये फिल्म मैं बना के रहूंगा। और इस फिल्म को बनाने में मुझे काफ़ी साल लग गए, काफ़ी रिसर्च की, एक दो बार स्क्रिप्ट भी लिखाई, प्रोड्यूसर्स ढूंढे, फिर एक्सेल एंटरटेनमेंट मेरे साथ जुड़ गया और उसके बाद आई थिंक रेस्ट इज हिस्ट्री एंड हियर वी आर टेलिंग द स्टोरी टू द होल वर्ल्ड।
There's a challenge, many challenges. First is the cold, then there's the terrain, very uneven, rocky, and then most of all the altitude. So it's tough, but it's such a beautiful location, and in all honesty, it's probably the most practical way to film here.
Breathing in here, people have to get accommodated and they have to get acclimatized and stuff. But yeah, it's definitely challenging, but it's also a very great experience.
Not easy. Yeah, because the weather changing so fast, in the morning sun, and suddenly the clouds coming and wind is coming, so very, very difficult.
It's like a dust storm. We've been having one of these every alternate day for the last 2 months. Can't recognize anybody. Hats off to this amazing crew for braving this and making some great stuff.
This is tough weather, man, but I'm still gonna make this movie.
We had to be ready to shoot by 6 a.m. every day with 400 Chinese soldiers and 250 Indian soldiers. So we had pretty much like a really long assembly line, because to dress so many people and so quickly is tough, especially with all kinds of webbing equipment.
1962 firstly is a very difficult era, especially for the army in terms of research. मतलब बहुत research किया, tents खुद बनाए. We've decided from old black and white photographs what kind of tents. Of course we've tweaked it and made it our own, and hopefully they're looking authentic.
We've got the best people in the business. This is no business from England, and I think this is the first time they're coming to India, and I'm very happy. I mean, look at this. You can't tell the difference. This battle was fought at minus 24 degrees Celsius, when it started. So to get this right is a very important thing for me to do. So I'm very, very happy.
हम जो यहाँ पे करें, it's not even 1% of what actually happens on the war front. So all the respect to the army, to the navy, to the air force, and everyone who's serving the nation.
इस यूनिफॉर्म की एक जादू है। जैसे ही आप इस यूनिफॉर्म में आ जाते हो, एक अकड़ आ जाती है, and that is the power of the uniform. That is what our soldiers are doing for us, and this uniform makes us proud just wearing it.
There are a lot of words. There's passion, there's heroism, there's friendship, there's love, there's country, there's patriotism, there's everything. There's so many words that come to mind.
From a story point of view, I think it will sort of instill in everybody a great sense of patriotism.
120 बहादुर सिर्फ एक फिल्म नहीं है, ये उन सच्चे वीरों को हमारी श्रद्धांजलि है जिन्होंने रिजांगला में अद्भुत साहस दिखाया।
मुझे आखिरी गोली, आखिरी कदम और अपने खून की आखिरी बूंद तक लड़ना मंजूर है, मगर पीछे हटना नहीं।